If 1 mole of CO2 contains 1 mole of carbon, how many moles of carbon would be in 2.5 moles of CO2? A. 2.5 moles. B. 10 moles. C. 5 moles. D. 1 mole. The correct answer is A. 2.5 moles. How many elements were in each of the groups suggested by the German chemist? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is C. 3. Which type of material is plastic? A. A superconductor. B. A conductor. C. A semiconductor. D. An insulator. The correct answer is D. An insulator. What was Gregor Johann Mendel's profession? A. A scientist. B. A doctor. C. A teacher. D. An Austrian monk. The correct answer is D. An Austrian monk. How many types of sex chromosomes are there? A. 2. B. 1. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is A. 2. When was William Gilbert born? A. 24th April 1544. B. 24th May 1544. C. 24th June 1644. D. 24th May 1644. The correct answer is B. 24th May 1544. What is the primary characteristic of an atomic bond mentioned in the context of Na-CRO? A. Hydrogen bridge formation. B. Metallic lattice formation. C. Electron sharing. D. Electron transfer. The correct answer is C. Electron sharing. What are antipyretics used to treat? A. Corrosion. B. Bodybuilding. C. Hyperthyroidism. D. Fever. The correct answer is D. Fever. What does the positive sign indicate regarding the concentration of product B with respect to time? A. An increase in concentration of B. B. A decrease in concentration of B. C. No change in concentration of B. D. The concentration of B is negligible. The correct answer is A. An increase in concentration of B. A hook attached to a rod at one end is part of what measurement device? A. A thermometer. B. A spring balance. C. A measuring tape. D. A barometer. The correct answer is B. A spring balance. What is the estimated minimum number of stars contained within the Milky Way galaxy? A. At least 100 trillion stars. B. At least 100 million stars. C. At least 100 billion stars. D. At least 88 billion stars. The correct answer is C. At least 100 billion stars. When an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, what happens to its velocity? A. It changes due to the change in direction. B. It remains constant. C. It decreases due to air resistance. D. It increases due to constant speed. The correct answer is A. It changes due to the change in direction. What is compared after the melting of ice in the experiment? A. The temperature before and after melting. B. The volume before and after melting. C. The weight before and after melting. D. The density before and after melting. The correct answer is C. The weight before and after melting. What system of plant classification is mentioned for drawing its outline? A. Engler and Prandtl system. B. Bentham and Hooker's system. C. Phylogenetic system. D. Linnean system. The correct answer is B. Bentham and Hooker's system. What type of motion involves identifying centripetal and centrifugal forces? A. Circular motion. B. Vibrational motion. C. Linear motion. D. Oscillatory motion. The correct answer is A. Circular motion. When copper develops a greenish layer, it indicates a reaction with what? A. Moist air. B. Acid solutions only. C. Sunlight only. D. Dry air only. The correct answer is A. Moist air. At what decibel level may a jet plane takeoff cause pain? A. 110 decibels. B. 90 decibels. C. 120 decibels. D. 140 decibels. The correct answer is D. 140 decibels. What does animal husbandry primarily involve? A. Breeding of animals. B. Threshing and storage of crops. C. Preparation of soil. D. Application of fertilizers. The correct answer is A. Breeding of animals. Which group includes organisms that eat secondary consumers? A. Tertiary consumers. B. Producers. C. Primary consumers. D. Decomposers. The correct answer is A. Tertiary consumers. What is a substance made from minerals used to enrich soil? A. Vermicompost. B. Spices. C. Timber. D. Inorganic fertilizer. The correct answer is D. Inorganic fertilizer. If two or more bulbs are connected in parallel, what type of circuit is formed? A. Series circuit. B. Simple circuit. C. Parallel circuit. D. Branching circuit. The correct answer is C. Parallel circuit. If a nail does not attract iron filings after rubbing it with a magnet for 30 to 40 times, what should be done? A. Stop the process. B. Cool the nail down. C. Heat the nail. D. Continue the same process for more time. The correct answer is D. Continue the same process for more time. What scientific phenomenon is demonstrated by a freely suspended magnetic needle aligning itself? A. Electromagnetism. B. Static electricity. C. Earth's magnetic field. D. Magnetoreception. The correct answer is C. Earth's magnetic field. An object travels 32 meters in a total of 6s. What is its average speed? A. 6 meters per second. B. 4 meters per second. C. 8 meters per second. D. 5.33 meters per second. The correct answer is D. 5.33 meters per second. Which class is described as oviparous? A. Reptilia. B. Amphibia. C. Piscis. D. Aves. The correct answer is A. Reptilia. Which process is primarily used for separating a dissolved solid from a liquid? A. Churning. B. Filtration. C. Settling. D. Decantation. The correct answer is B. Filtration. When is an approximation most likely to be modified? A. When the user prefers a different number. B. When greater precision is required. C. When the initial calculation is too simple. D. When the number of digits is too high. The correct answer is B. When greater precision is required. What is another name for the light-dependent reaction of photosynthesis? A. Dark reaction. B. Hill reaction. C. Calvin cycle. D. Krebs cycle. The correct answer is B. Hill reaction. What is the term for sound with a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz? A. Sonic sound. B. Subsonic sound. C. Ultrasonic sound. D. Infrasonic sound. The correct answer is A. Sonic sound. What is another name for planets with a solid rock crust surface? A. Liquid planets. B. Rocky planets. C. Icy planets. D. Gaseous planets. The correct answer is B. Rocky planets. How did you score?